today I'm going to show you how to get this champagne smoky eye along with this nude lip. It's good for any big event, and I know a lot of people have prom coming up, so if you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching. As usual, I'm going to prime my eyelids using my tape shape concealer, and then I'm going to set it with setting powder. The main eyeshadow palette I am using for today is Huda Beauty's Smoky Obsessions palette. Before applying eyeshadow, don't put on concealer yet, and just put a tape at the edge of the eye in an angle so you could get a crisp line at the end. Take a warm chocolate brown color and use it as your transition shade to warm up the crease. Taking that same brush, dip it into the black and apply it to the outer portion of the lid and dragging it into the crease. Using this brush for the black is what makes it look more blended out and soft on the top part of where that eyeshadow comes in. Taking a flat eyeshadow brush, we're going to take that black and we're going to pack it on the outer portion of our lid towards the middle. With a flat eyeshadow brush, take the dark champagne color and apply it onto the inner portion of the lid towards the middle. Now a little past the middle, we're going to blend together the champagne color and the black. Taking that same champagne color we are using, we're going to apply it to the inner portion towards the middle of our bottom lid. Taking the Maybelline's Precise Liquid Liner, create a wing. Keeping the tape on it will give the wing a straight, crisp line. Now you can peel the tape. With a smudge brush, just apply the black shadow on the outer portion of the bottom lid towards the middle, blending it into the champagne color. Then with another smudge brush, we're going to dip it into the light champagne color and we're going to highlight the inner corner of our eye with it. Now I'm just applying a neutral color to my brow bone. Taking my Tarte gel liner, I'm going to tightline and apply it to my waterline on the outer portion towards the middle. Then taking a white liner, I'm going to apply it to my inner portion of my waterline towards the middle. And I decided to go back with the black to intensify it and blend it into some of the white. Then apply mascara to your top lashes, but when you're done with that, then you can apply your concealer, your setting powder, your contour, and after that we'll end up applying our mascara to our bottom lashes. Even though I already contoured, I'm just going to warm up my face a little more with my Too Faced bronzer. Now apply the mascara to your bottom lashes. Now the eye look is complete. I am going to apply a warm blush from my Face Form Sleek palette, and then I'm going to take the highlighter from that same palette and just apply it above my cheeks, a little above my eyebrows. I'm going to apply it down the bridge of the nose and on my Cupid's bow. my lip liner, I am using Contour Cosmetics in the color Stud. The color of it is a warm light brown shade. So if you don't have this exact one, it is fine as long as you find one with the same color. Now for my lips, I'm going to apply the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. And here is the finished look. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying?